Hey there, Ryan here for Silly Reviews, and we are checking out how to quickly, the most efficient, the fastest way to delete, get rid of playlists on your YouTube account that you no longer need and you've been putting off getting rid of these junk playlists, but they keep building and building, right? Well, today I finally had enough and I decided I'm going to get rid of these. Here is how I'm doing it. I started out on my phone, and then I said, no, this is taking way too long. So I'm going desktop with this. I recommend you do as well. What you do, go to YouTube's homepage, click on You. And if you go down a little bit, now your order of history, playlists, watch later may be different than mine because I believe you can customize this. I just can't remember if I did that before, but go to your playlist, hit view all. You have less sorting methods on your browser than you do on the YouTube app on mobile, which is weird, but go ahead and use either A through Z or recently added. If you're on your mobile app, you'd have more options, but I find that clearing out these unwanted, these no longer needed playlists on mobile was just too slow. So my problem was I was using a program on my iOS devices called Tubecast, and what that would do was let me make playlists on YouTube and then just stream them in audio format only on my mobile device, my iOS device, which would allow me to avoid ads. And I pretty much just listen to everything in the background. I don't watch a lot of videos, or at least not as many as I just listen to in the background, because they're mostly like speech oriented, kind of podcast type, right? So thankfully, which is going to help me, is most of those playlists were titled Tubecasts and then something, right? So it was like Tubecasts music, Tubecasts talk, Tubecasts sports. And this was taking way too long on mobile to go through these. But if you are following what I'm doing, there's another trick to it, because it's not a matter of clicking on the little three dot, the little hamburger, whatever you call that. That's not the fastest way, right? You can click this and then you can hit delete, and then do you really want to delete? Okay, that's not exactly it. Open it in a new tab using the full playlist link, okay? Do that for all of these. And you can usually use your little middle clicky scroll wheel button to open things in a new tab. I'm not sure if I have remapped that button to do something different. So we're doing it this way. So all of these Tubecast playlists I don't need. They take up space when I'm trying to organize my Silly Reviews channel content. And this is even faster if you have a physical keyboard in front of you. I don't. Right now, I strictly use mouse and voice prompts, or like Dragon Natural Speaking or whatever. So we're opening all these unwanted playlists in new tabs, because trust me, it is faster. Is what you'll do is just you'll just control tab through this, and it's faster, it's less annoying. Man, I had a lot of these and they really get in the way when I'm trying to find the right playlist to add my Silly Reviews content to. Okay. And then what you'll do, if you have that keyboard in front of you, you'll be control tabbing, deleting these things. So boom, delete playlist. And then you would hit like control W. And then boom, delete playlist. Control W. Boom, delete playlist. And then control W, right? And you're just going to repeat that you can get this done really fast, and you're going to feel really good that you've cleaned up what you've been procrastinating on, and your digital life is a little more neat, a little tidy, a little more tidy, right? So hopefully this tip helps you. If you know a faster way, gotta leave it in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.